Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Pentair Intellibrite 5G White Underwater LED Spa Light 12-volt 18-watt 50-foot cord. At 18 watt, the new Pentair Intellibrite 5G White Spa Lights provide the most energy-efficient lighting ever. White LED spa lights deliver superior light intensity and distribution, with no hot spots or glare, and offer pool owners long-lasting durability. With its custom reflector and unique lens design, the Intellibrite 5G light is the brightest and most efficient underwater spa light available, 100-watt equivalent. In addition, Pentair's Intellibrite automated controller is recommended for use with the Intellibrite color lights to allow light colors to automatically rotate. Features: a superior reflector design, 12-volt, 18-watt, and 50-foot cord, EasyTouch control system, energy effective, no assembly required. Read the instructions before installation and use. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.